guys. Hi guys. So today I'm here with my cousin stroke small auntie Nelly, and I'm going to teach her how to make a brownie, right? Yeah, so so Nelly, today we'll need 2 cups of flour. This is baking powder we put in a container, yeah? Some vanilla essence, cocoa and baking soda, and some cooking oil, yeah. Okay, so we're mixing the ingredients now. This is the flour. Remember, there are 2 cups. And Nelly, please put the baking powder. 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon. Like, who doesn't like that sweet vanilla sticks, right? Yeah. Some baking soda. So we've already put the vanilla essence, now it's the baking soda. And the main ingredient, 1/2 cup of cocoa powder. We've already mixed our dry ingredients, and of course the sugar we had forgotten to show you. I think it was hiding with a bowl or something, right? Right?
And of course the sugar has to be according to your liking. Some people like a lot of sugar
and some don't. So
yeah.
It's according to you. So I'm adding another 1/2 cup. I had
of oil.
Yeah, of oil. I had mistaken and said 1/2 cup, and it's 1 cup, sorry.
So Nelly is coming along?
Yep, she's mixing it well. Oh, look at how hard it is. Looks like slime, right?
It will be like slime, like this.
Yeah. Come closer, Mom, and see. It's totally like slime, see?
Yeah.
And as I grease my pan for baking, and by the way, don't forget it's a 6-minute microwave brownie. 6 minutes. Yeah, how is it?
It's very good. It's very slimy and
yeah. So ours we're gonna sprinkle. So I think it's gonna bake with it. So we like sprinkles with everything. Yeah.
That's enough. Don't do too much.
Sprinkles.
Remember there is a cream to top it
So
up.
we set the microwave for 6 minutes. Now we're gonna put our brownie inside. Yeah.
Now we wait for 6 minutes.
And press start.
Yeah. Can't wait to have it.
6 minutes.
3 minutes. So 3 minutes to go.
So we're removing it now. It's ready. Come to look at it. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. Wow. Am I sure?
Nelly was saying she doesn't believe that you can make a brownie in 6 minutes.
Yeah.
Nelly, now do you believe?
Yeah.
Maureen, now you believe.
So now they believe it's ready. So here's our brownie. And of course, everyone knows this method of checking whether it's ready, and it's totally ready. Hi, hope you enjoy. Hi. Nelly comes in invite people. Bye. Here's our dessert with supper. Next time we'll share a bhajia recipe.